Hello friends, myself Kajal Suryavanshi. Today's video topic is a singleton in Java. A singleton says define a class that has only one instance and provide a global point of access to it. In other words, a class must ensure that only single instances should be created and single object can be used by all other classes. There are two forms of a singleton design pattern. First is the early instantiation and lazy instantiation. Early instantiation, creation of an instance at a load time, and a lazy instantiation, creation of an instance when required. Advantages of singleton design pattern: save memory because object is not created at each request. Only single instance is reused again and again. Uses of a singleton design pattern: singleton pattern is mostly used in multi-threaded and database application. It is used in logging, caching, thread pools, configuration settings, etc. UML of a singleton: first is a singleton is a public class, then instance singleton and singleton method plus get instance method, then singleton returns. Next is the how to create singleton. To create the singleton class, we need to have a static member of class, private constructor and static factory method. First is the static member. It get a memory only once because of static. It contains the instance of the singleton class. Next is a private constructor. It will prevent to instantiate the singleton class from outside the class. Next is the static factory method. This provide the global point of access to the singleton object and return the instance to the caller. Understanding early instantiation of singleton. In such a case, we create the instance of the class at the time of declaring the static data member. So, instance of a class is created at the time of class loading. Next is a understanding by lazy instantiation of a singleton. We can create the instance of a class is synchronized method or synchronized block. So, instance of the class is created when required. Example is a class A, private static A object and private A method. Then if object equals to null, it checks synchronize. If object equals to null, object equals to new singleton method and return is the object. Next is the significance of a class loader in singleton pattern. Its singleton class is a serializable. You can serialize the singleton instances. Once is serialized, you can deserialize it but will not return the singleton object. To resolve the issue, you need to override the read resolve method that enforces the singleton. It is called just after the object is a deserialize it return the singleton object. Understanding real example is a singleton. We are going to create a JDBC singleton class. This JDBC singleton class contains its constructor as a private and private static instance JDBC2 itself. Thank you.